All right, so we have made it to another destination on our journey down here in Baler. Up here in Baler. Up here and over here in Baler. Yes. Here we are. Check it out. Isn't that amazing? Isn't that amazing? No, that's not what we're here to look at. These just happen to be here. These kubos. Probably one of these places you can hang out for the day, for the evening. But let me show you what we're doing here. Let me go up here and give you a peek at what we're going to check out here. You guys ready for this? These are all just seating areas. Appears to be just seating areas. Just to sit and enjoy. Sit and enjoy what you're about to see. You guys ready? Check this out. Is what we're here for. Boom, we were told to come up here, check out the hanging bridge. That's what we're doing. We're gonna check out this hanging bridge. We were told to come up at sunset. Boy, it's just so peaceful up here. Water's just flowing. Clear. Coconut trees. Looks like there's somebody down there fishing. Looks up on the bridge. I'm gonna break out the drone and let's fly this drone. Alright, here we go. We got parking here. All this is areas, I guess it's just parking. We just parked. There's no entrance fee. There's no entrance fee to the hanging bridge. What's the purpose of the hanging bridge? Couldn't tell you. Maybe it goes across the river to another barangay or something, another village. I don't know. What's the purpose of the hanging bridge? Anybody know?
Ano yung purpose ng hanging bridge? Para saan to? Ba't nilagyan ito? Para po hindi natatawid din.
Huh?
Para din na po tumawid sa tubig. Ah, they just use this one so the people don't need to cross the
Oh, so there's people that live over there, huh?
No, people over here and also if they have a flood, you know,
oh,
like raining.
Okay. I hope it holds. Don't see any holes. Pretty neat, huh? Yes, it sways a little bit as you're walking. Your body motion causes it to sway. I gotta hold on. It's kind of weird. Whoop, look at this. Little homemade repair there. Yeah, as you're walking, that's me. Oh, that kid's running. That's why it's bouncing around. Yeah, I trust it. I trust it. A couple kids down here washing off. This guy over here, check him out. This guy's running some type of fishing line. Check him out. Yeah, he's running a fishing line through here. It's not very deep. He's only, hey Koya, he's only maybe knee deep, so it's not very deep through here. We just continue down through here. I hear a goat. So there are maybe people back in here, and then they use this access bridge. Our kids are running. Almost there, almost there, almost there. We've made it across. We have made it across the hanging bridge. And whoop, there we go. Looks like there's trails that run up through here. Up in there. Up over there. All right. There it is. There was the thrilling, excuse me, the thrilling, exciting hanging bridge. Guys, check this out. This is pretty neat. There's water that flows down in one direction, dumps into the river that goes underneath the hanging bridge. I thought this was pretty neat. I seen this while I was just observing around. Here's the water. All right. Flowing down here, flowing in and then down underneath the bridge. There's people that live over there, right? But I've seen this here. It's like, how do they get over there? Well, those people live over there. They don't cross through the water all the time. So I'm looking up here and I've seen this. This is pretty cool. Bamboo bridge. Check it out, bamboo bridge. That's how they get across over there. I see and I hear they have some pigs over there, but it must be its own little island or its own little separate area. That's how they get over, right down here. Right down the bamboo bridge. What's going on, Lut? What are you doing? Huh? I got you something.
What?
Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Okay, there you go. Open your eyes.
Oh, that's your Valentine's flower?
No. That's a flower I found. I picked for you.
That's so cool. How sweet of you.
Oh, how's it smell? Pretty good?
There's no smell.
No smell. Guys, one of the things I love doing when I'm out in the province is I'm always looking for them. I'm always looking for them. What am I looking for? You ready? Carabao. There's two carabaos in there. That's probably the mama and the baby, because there is a young one there. I'm not going to get close, even though the mama's tied off. Those suckers are strong, so no, I'm not going to mess around, but I'm always looking for carabao. Look how beautiful it is here. Coconut trees. These are all coconut trees right here. As you can see them up in the tree. Guys, don't ever walk under a coconut tree if you value your life, because coconuts will kill you if they fall on your head. But this is all coconuts through here, and even across the road up there, right, not the road, across the river, bunch of coconut trees up there. Look, here's a banana tree. You ever wonder what a banana tree looks like? Here's your banana tree, and right up there is your cluster of bananas. I never seen a banana tree until I came to the Philippines. But that's your banana trees, and of course, there's your coconut trees. Gotta find me a caramel. Welcome, Baler. Guys, I wanted to walk through here with Lut, the barangay, right? Barangay or city of Baler.
Yeah.
But unfortunately, we have run out of time because we're heading back tomorrow. But I'm going to show you Baler as we go through. Baler, or as the GPS calls it, what?
Baler.
Baler. I'm going to show you, it's a pretty thriving community. All right, so this is like where the town proper starts. Very busy. They got a fiesta coming up, as you can tell by the streamers across the road. But it's a happening. A lot of people. I don't know, maybe there's fiesta going on. Lut says no. Lut says no fiesta going on now. But God, you could fool me. How busy it is through here. Let me balloons and a lot of PMP. Let me show you here on the. Well, I gotta. Yeah, look, you narrate. Look, put the window down. You'll narrate because the traffic is just crazy through here.
Okay, there we go. Like this?
Yeah, you narrate.
Oh yeah. This one here is like, I think this area over here they've been just used to this, and that is how area over here. The fiesta, it might be doing like couple days from now because they just put that, what's that called, Paul? That like a Christmas tree that I always said. But this one here where you can see all like clothes, different kind of like housing, house stuff, everything. I'm lawyer.
All right, guys.
Jollibee.
Yeah, let's just blurt it out. Right, Popo going by. I don't know what that. They're big enough of an area so that they can have a and Chow King. Look at all that corn right there on that stand, right there. And they're big enough to where they can have a Jollibee up there. But it's a cool community. Like I said, I wanted to come up here and walk down through here, but we've just ran out of time. But really neat, really neat. Have I seen any white guys here, foreigners here? A few, but I don't know if they live here. I don't know if they are just here as a tourist. I don't know. The only reason any foreigner, in my opinion, would actually want to move here, say, if you don't have a girlfriend here, just move here, would be a surfer. Big time surfing here. But to just move here without a girlfriend or somebody here, I don't think I would do it. Not me. Do they have a mall here? I don't know. All right, let me pay attention here. I gotta
drive, dude.
I gotta drive, dude. All right, so this is our last night here, and the owner here at Lotus invited us to a feast. You guys ready for this? We are having a voodoo fight. Why do they call it a voodoo fight? Nobody's fighting, right? Everybody's eating. We're not fighting. But check this out. This nice spread. Really nice shrimp, pork. What else we have here, Lut? Yellowfin tuna, eggplant, salted eggs. What are they? Clams? Little clams?
Tahong.
Huh?
Mussels. Tahong.
Oh, mussels. Mussels.
Tahong in Tagalog.
Mussels. Shrimp, pork, rice. We got ourselves a nice good feast
That's
going on
bagoong.
there. Shrimp paste. Photo fight, but nobody fights. I don't understand it. Yellowfin tuna. Wow, look at that spread they hooked up.
Can we just don't eat the rice just like this?
That looks too nice to eat. Huh? Oh wait. Also, it would not be a party. All right, we got some videoke going on here.
Yeah.
We got that going on. And it wouldn't be a party in the Philippines without some Emperador